How to disable full screen on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable full screen on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera and then just click this one here. Click on Opera icon and then click this one, settings icon, and go down until you find this one, full screen, and click on it, and then just click disable. And as you see, full screen has been disabled, and that's it for today's video. That's how to disable full screen in Opera Mini, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.